Good morning, friends. Good evening. So, one thing I liked, so I'm going to share this information with you. The information is this. You can see here, this is for the battery, this one, and the problem was here. The problem was here. When I remove this, you see, it is blinking now. It is blinking now. I remove this also. Okay, still I have the problem. Now I put this is a direct cable. So now it is okay. You see, this is okay. This is charging the battery of my laptop. But problem with this cable, because sometimes suppose this cable move like this, suppose this move, what I see again, it is not charging the battery, means this is not connected to the electricity. So I was looking how to solve, because this problem, how to solve this problem, because suppose you are working on the computer and you have this laptop on the table, and suddenly you decided to enter in the sofa or in the bed with your laptop, and in that case this will move, the cable will move. You see, here it is moving and cable will move, and you will see the problem here. Now it is not charging. This was a big problem from last 1 month. I was facing this problem, because whenever I suppose I have the computer here, it is on the table, suddenly I move this like this, or I move my computer, and this current circulation will disconnect, electricity will disconnect. So this one not working well. So what I have done, now I'm using another connector. You see, this is another connector. I just put this connector here inside. Force I have to put the inside, and now here, and now this is okay, because there is less chance now. So it is working fantastically for me. It is fantastically, because now I can move the computer, my laptop. I can use my laptop in my sofa, in my bed, wherever I want. I can go with my laptop, and this connection it is not discontinuous, means electricity is passing and it is charging my computer. And why it was happening earlier, because you see, this is a tight connection. But this was the luge, because last from many years I'm using this cable, so now it become luge now. So there's a luge connection between this, and inside there will be hole. You see, this is the hole, so there is luge connection, and I need something to make it like this. This is a connector, miss tight connection I need. Fantastically. Otherwise I have to buy the new cable, and that I don't want to do because I have to buy the new cable and new all the things I have to buy new, so that's why that I don't want to do. Now the question, from where I bought this connector. This is the, you see, NGS technology. This is notebook charger, and I exactly don't remember the price, but you see, so here my computer is the Acer. This is Acer, not Toshiba. Moreover, you have to buy one, then you can change the voltage here, and you can use the connector, and this is the from the cables. This come from the cable, and this is the connector, interconnector I can say. Okay, and this is for the electricity. So I can show you here. I have, you see, this is the voltage. I can change the voltage also. So last 4-5 years I'm using this. So earlier I was not facing the problem because I connected it directly, this cable I connected directly to my computer, but now I'm facing the problem to further charging. So in that case I started to look what is the solution, because when you buy the packet, they will provide you different interconnector. These are the connectors, you see, so they will provide you several. So now I'm using this one. Okay, so you can see this is different size, shape. Even you can find another type of also, you see, this is also you can find. Okay, so fantastic, this is fantastic, and you can use, suppose you have one computer from the Acer, another from Toshiba, another from, so you can change, you see, you can change this according to the size. Okay, so what was the price? I remember that 4 years back I bought in 20 euro, something like this. In rupees it will be 20 euro, 1800, no, 1800 rupees, like this. Yeah, whatever, I'm going to leave the Amazon link or a link of this company, and from there you can buy this, or maybe you can search. There should be several So you can search one which is useful for you. I'm happy that this problem is solved. Otherwise, I was from last 1 month I was thinking how to solve this problem, but now I think I have solved this problem. Charging my computer. Thank you. Bye bye.